Good morning, sir. I'm Ronami Sibilia, 44 years of age. I'm a widow. We have two children, one boy and one girl. I graduated a midwifery course in Iloilo Doctors College. I have a work experience in Bahrain for 4 years. I do housemaid. I know how to do uh, work in the. I know how to work in the house. I know how to do cooking, cleaning the house, uh, and taking care of the baby. Then I go in Taiwan for 2 years also as a caregiver to taking care of the old woman. Then after 2 years, I go also in Dubai as a babysitter. I know as a babysitter, I do everything in the house, all around. I'm cleaning the house, cleaning the car, everything. I do ironing. Then, I know also beautician. I do cut the hair, cleaning the nails, and do makeup. I want to go abroad to support my children, and I do my best to to take care the children or the babies. So madam, if you choose me as one of your maids, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. I'm honest, patient, I'm a hardworking, and I treat you as my own family. I'm loving also to the children. I hope to see you soon, madam. Thank you.